Good morning, I'm Ray, and we're in the middle of July, and it's around the 18th July, and we're going to pull up our early potatoes. So what can we put in the beds after the potatoes? Well, let me show you what we can do. So what can we plant after the potatoes have come out? Well, there's quite a few things. We've got a few packets of seeds, so we could do pak choy, turnips can still go, and swede, possibly still get some swede out, chard, you could do white chard or rainbow chard, Swiss or forkhood giant, they can still be sown in after potatoes, radishes, also salad leaves, so small salad crops like lettuces, ones that mainly don't have heads, and also carrots, spinach, and we could also, one of the favourites if we've started up some previously, is leeks. Leeks are a good crop to go in after potatoes, or even beans, dwarf beans, they like going in the soil straight after potatoes. Or even check out the garden centres, you might be able to get some dills and get some start-off plants to go in, like broccolis or kale. Probably a bit too early to start them from seed, but if you can get some starters, that would be great to go from now. Kale is another brassica that can go in. These were started off a couple of months ago, so they can go in the potato bed. So you've got a few options what you can do, but we're going to plant our leeks. What do you do? Leave me a comment below. Always interested to read the comments, and I reply to every comment. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, ring the bell, get notifications when I post some more. So thank you very much. Cheers.